He called it a CNC machine, and you can actually use it for any kind of woodwork. After a bit of investigating, I started figuring out how it works, and the truth is, it's a pretty simple mechanism. See, CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which basically means you punch some numbers into a computer, and those numbers command the machine to move exactly how you want it. In this case, it gives the machine the exact spots to carve onto. It might sound complicated, but it really isn't. Imagine a sharp sculpting tool moving from front to back, left to right, and up and down. Hook it up to a computer, and you'll have a personal, ultra-precise wood carving machine that can spit out unique, personalized pieces of wood. It's basically a smart saw. I like to call it that because you can create and design whatever your imagination can draw up just by pushing a button. Anything from wooden toys for your kids to coffee tables, shop signs, home decorations, engraved cigar boxes, picnic tables, racks, TV cabinets, desks, dog houses, even surfboards or guitars. There are no limits. You can take a drawing and turn it from paper to wood just by pushing a button. Here's why I was getting so excited about it. With a smart saw, there's no room for error because it's a 100% self-correcting device. It's just like a master craftsman were standing right next to you, correcting you ahead of time so you'd never make a wrong cut. You'll never have to waste any precious time or any money on wood. Instead of trying over and over again to get the measurements right or to make flawless cuts, you'll create the perfect cutout right from the very first try. And even a lousy woodworker like myself can make the most complex projects in no time. In fact, you'll be able to make elaborate designs even if you've never touched a piece of wood before, because the smart saw has incredible accuracy. It would take years of harsh training for a man to develop these skills, but the smart saw cuts out even the smallest details flawlessly. Plus, a smart saw works 20 times faster than the human hand, because it's already programmed and knows exactly what you're going for. This means you can spend more time creating personalized, unique projects, transforming your hobby into a true passion. And after you use it a couple of times, you'll see for yourself that your wood carving smart saw can turn into a real business, because once you've made a design, you can print it out as many times as you want and sell it. If your projects are good, people will be lining up, and you'll be able to transform your hobby into a real business. And finally, here's the best part. The smart saw can work completely on autopilot. Just select your design whenever you have 5 minutes of spare time and let it go to work. 99% of your job ends after you pick your design. So sit back and relax or go about your daily routine till the smart saw prints out your project.